Resettlement is often the number one cause of project delays and reputational damage, conflict with the communities. The Resettlement and Livelihood Restoration Master System brings transparency to land acquisition and involuntary resettlement, ensuring that you meet the strict requirements of IFC PS5, EBRD ESR 5, or other requirements from international lenders. The foundation is the Master Household Registry. We link every project affected person to their specific assets. Look at how this single household entry aggregates land parcels, structures, and crops. This relational integrity prevents the double counting or missed assets that often plague large-scale resettlement action plans. But we went a step further and added not only the household level, but also the individual registry, because often livelihood restoration efforts, especially if it relates to training and other in-kind compensation, prioritization for employment, they extend beyond the head of the household and include other people in the household as well. We also have the Asset and Livelihood Registry, which is usually the most confusing spreadsheet of all, especially if you have a large number of affected people. You can add the name of the asset, the category. Most importantly, you can also add the economic importance, which we have specified as the percentage of their total household income. You can also have the notes here, whether the loss is full, partial, temporary, or permanent, and connected to the household. That means that it's not connected to the individual, but connected to the household, but our other tables capture the individuals as well. In terms of the financial management, this tracker monitors entitlements and actual payouts. You can see at a glance which households are ready for move and which are pending signature. This is exactly what a lender's environmental and social consultant wants to see during a site visit or their due diligence. Don't leave your resettlement data to chance. Secure your project's timeline with a system designed for institutional scrutiny.